Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys face lock setting. And today video title guys how to add face lock, how to use face lock setting, how to unlock Redmi mobile with face lock one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device password setting. After on phone password setting friends, open your phone face unlock setting. You want to add face data, you want to add face lock in your Redmi mobile friends, click on next. Select your password type with face lock, pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use face lock plus pin. Remember your password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data on your device. Got it? And friends, enter your pin password. So friends, I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6. Continue 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6-digit pin friends I will use. OK option. You want to add face lock? Click here next option. You can add face data in your Redmi mobile. Friends, wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds friends, click here next option, and now you can add face lock. Show your face lock will add, and you can unlock your device with face lock. After show face guys, face lock will add, click here done option. And friends, you want to add one more face lock, you want to use two face lock. So friends, enter your device password. After enter password next, you can add one more face lock, you can use two face lock in your Redmi mobile. So friends, lock your screen, and friends now you can unlock your device with finger. Also friends, face lock. Show your face on lock screen, phone will unlock automatic, and if you enter password, so your phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can unlock your mobile with face lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to add face lock in Redmi mobile and how to use face lock setting in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.